Hello, welcome back guys to Sporaria channels here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to use desktop version in Yandex on iPhone. But before it, I have you guys click subscribe and the bell button to support the channel. And so now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, firstly of course you just have to open your Yandex applications, and yeah, as you can see here I use the mobile version, yeah guys, of course, because I use my phone. And if you want to activate or enable it for the Yandex desktop version, you just have to tap on this three dots icon at the bottom. After, go to the desktop version. You just have to tap on it like this, and yeah, as you can see it will be changed to the desktop version, you guys. So here you can use it like on your desktop. So yeah, I think it's enough from me guys. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.